We all have our regrets sometimes, but clearly expressing them with eloquence can be a challenge, especially if we're sharing them in our second language. Are you ready to learn how to express your regrets in Spanish? Hi, I'm Mafalda from BaseLang, and today I'm going to take you through the key verbs, nouns, and phrases for expressing regret in Spanish. At BaseLang, we offer unlimited access to one-on-one online Spanish classes with native teachers for a flat rate. So if you really want to supercharge your learning, give it a try. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now let's get started with today's lesson, starting with the most common verbs used to express regret. First up is arrepentirse, the verb we use to express remorse about our bad decisions. Translations include to regret or even to repent. It's a reflexive verb, so for I regret, you say me arrepiento. Let's see. Me arrepiento de haber comido tantos dulces. Ahora tengo muchas caries. I regret having eaten so many sweets. Now I have a lot of cavities. Arrepentirse also has a noun form, el arrepentimiento, meaning regret or remorse. Let's see it. Si no le pido perdón, no podré vivir con el arrepentimiento. If I don't ask for forgiveness, I won't be able to live with the regret. The next one to know is lamentar. This one resembles your English verb to lament, but its other translations include to be sorry or to regret. We can use lamentar for anything from personal regrets to formal apologies, as in these examples. De verdad, lamento no haber podido venir antes. Estaba muy ocupada. I'm really sorry I couldn't come earlier. I was very busy. Lamentamos la muerte de tu abuelo. We are sorry about your grandfather's death. Our next verb for expressing regret is sentir, which you might recognize as meaning to feel in Spanish. Well, are you also familiar with the most common way to say I'm sorry in Spanish that's also based on sentir? Lo siento. When we express regret with sentir, we're saying that we really feel for the other person. How about some examples? Aunque se disculpó, estoy segura de que no lo siente. Although he apologized, I'm sure he doesn't feel it. Sentimos mucho lo que pasó ayer. We are very sorry for what happened yesterday. We've come to our final verb for regrets in Spanish, apenarse. This one has a much stronger connotation of sadness. It's for when we feel really sorry. Let's see some examples. Me apena mucho verte llorar. I'm so sorry to see you cry. No sabes cómo nos apena tener que decirte esto. You don't know how sorry we are to have to tell you this. Okay, we've covered the verbs. Those forms give you some polite ways to say what you regret doing, while also showing off your Spanish skills with some advanced grammar. And if after this, you're ready for your next challenge, then why not put your knowledge to the test and schedule your first BaseLang class today. At baselang.com, you get access to unlimited one-on-one Spanish classes with native-speaking teachers, all via Zoom. Try your first week for only $1. Thanks for tuning into today's video on expressing regrets in Spanish. It's a quick version of our blog post, so click on the link below for even more Spanish regret expressions. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe to catch our upcoming lessons. No te arrepentirás. You won't regret it.